Hello guys, welcome back to another video. You see that weekly? I'ma get it today with Inky. Hey Inky, I just
good
started
timing.
I just started recording. So
Okay,
I
well,
haven't
that was good
posted
timing.
I haven't posted in a while, but I have one more game of dodgeball and then I get the weekly. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, there we go. Now I just need
Wait,
to
hold on.
press dodgeball. Hold on. Okay. Okay. We're going to private because people are annoying sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes.
Yes.
I just accept any friend request. I don't really care. Wee. As we're waiting for Inky, this is how it looks. Also, you're like, what happened to your watch? I don't know what happened to my watch. Yeah, she's loading. Take some time. I still have a dodgeball skin. I'm gonna throw a ball at this person. Anyways, hello. Okay, we ready now?
It takes me a
Let's
while.
do this. Yeah, I know. I'm still recording. This is the last game, so I don't really. So after this, I get the weekly. Yay!
Game on.
After so long. Oh gosh.
Howdy.
Ah!
Hit.
And look!
Honestly, it's easier 1 versus 1.
Ah! And it,
Which one am I gonna-
get over here!
No.
No, I'm done! How dare you? Get. Ah! And it. No!
I headshot.
No, not the headshot! Okay, I'm being annoying. Throw it!
I have one.
Throw it! Try. No, you can try. Come on. I love this doing this.
I actually suck at
I
throwing.
could do this all day. No, finish.
Actually.
I can't stop laughing.
Yeah, 1, 2 more persons out at least to get the weekly.
I'm gonna get ya.
Yeah, let's see how you like it. Let's see how you like it.
I wasn't even moving around in.
Well, I mean, you have better aim than me.
Well, true. I bonked you on the head. It just went onto your cap. Like it bounced on your head and then. Let's see this. And you still don't have a dodgeball skin. You still don't have a dodgeball skin.
I don't have any skin. Game over.
Yay!
You
Okay,
win.
Okay, here we go. I'm open it. Oh,
You
okay.
lose.
Well, hey. Oh, what the heck? Anyways, ready? Hey, look! I got the weekly. You ready to watch me open it? That is very nice.
Yeah.
Also, I just wanted to collect it. It's a collection I have now. Huh?
Open it.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay.
Open it.
Okay, wait. Can I stop recording? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. You can. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I need to put my camera down. Excuse me. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. You can like.
Can I
share,
pry open your package?
You can like, share, subscribe if you want. I don't really care if you don't. You can just sit back, relax, and I guess watch my videos. I don't really care. And Inky, you want to say bye to the camera?
Bye.
Okay.
Like if you want me to rip